Can I transfer money from Wealthfront back to my brick-and-mortar bank account? You bet your bottom dollar you can, but listen to me, you have got to understand the rules of the game before you start moving your hard-earned retirement money around. When you are in retirement, or days away from it, liquid cash is your security blanket. It is what keeps you safe. Many of you moved your money over to a high-yield place like Wealthfront because you wanted to earn a decent yield on your savings. Good for you. That was a smart, protective move. But now, a big bill comes due, or you just want that comfort of seeing your money back in your local checking account, and panic sets in. You start asking yourself, is my money trapped online? How long is it going to take to get it back? Am I going to get dinged with massive fees just to touch my own money? I understand that fear. When you no longer have a bi-weekly paycheck coming in, every single day your money is in transit feels like an eternity. You look at a screen and see numbers, but you cannot physically touch it, and your stomach knots up. What if there is a delay? What if the transfer fails right when the property tax bill is due? Let me look you straight in the eye and give you the absolute truth. Your money is not trapped. Wealthfront makes it incredibly easy to transfer your funds back to your linked bank account, and they do not charge you a single penny to do it. No exit fees, no transfer fees, nothing. But, and this is a big but, how fast you get your money depends entirely on where that money is sitting inside Wealthfront right now, and you need to know this so you do not get caught off guard. If your money is sitting in a Wealthfront cash account, you are in luck. Wealthfront uses modern fast payment networks called real-time payments and FedNow. What does that mean for you? It means if your brick-and-mortar bank is one of the hundreds of institutions that participate in these networks, your transfer can happen instantly. I am talking within minutes, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even on weekends and holidays. You hit withdraw in the app, you look for the little lightning bolt next to your linked bank account, and boom, it is there. If your bank doesn't use those instant networks, it goes through the standard electronic system, which usually takes just 1 to 2 business days. Now, if your money is sitting in a Wealthfront automated investing account, meaning it is in the stock market or bonds, the rules change. You cannot just snap your fingers and expect that cash instantly. Why? Because Wealthfront physically has to sell your investments first. Those trades take time to clear and settle. So if you are pulling money out of an investment account, you need to expect it to take 2 to 3 business days before that cash lands in your traditional bank account. Do not wait until the day your property taxes are due to initiate that transfer. Give yourself a week of breathing room so you can sleep at night. There are also a couple of security roadblocks that trip people up, and I want you to write these down so you do not panic when they happen. First, if you just deposited money into Wealthfront a day or 2 ago, and you suddenly change your mind and want to pull it back out, you are going to hit a wall. Wealthfront puts a temporary holding period on new deposits for security purposes. Your funds might take up to 5 business days to clear before they are eligible to be sent right back out. They do this to protect you from fraud, so do not get angry at them. Just know the rule. Second, if you are trying to move a massive amount of money, say you are buying a retirement condo or clearing out a massive chunk of change, there is a standard daily electronic transfer limit of $250,000. If you try to transfer more than $250,000 in a single day, Wealthfront is going to automatically split that transfer up over multiple business days. If you need a huge sum of money all at once for a closing, do not use the standard online transfer tool. Use a bank wire. Wealthfront offers free outgoing wire transfers, which can move massive amounts safely and quickly, though you need to check if you're receiving bank charges a fee to take a wire. So, what is your actionable takeaway right now? Log into your account today, not when you need the money, but today. Go to your dashboard and look at where your funds are allocated. Make sure your main local bank account is properly linked as an external account. Look for that lightning bolt icon so you know ahead of time if your bank supports instant transfers. And most importantly, create a cash bucket system. Keep at least 3 to 6 months of your immediate living expenses in an easily accessible place so you never have to worry about a 2-day settlement delay on an investment account when real life happens. Be smart with your timing, understand the clearing rules, and stand in your financial power. Your money is safe, it is accessible, and you are in total control.